second normal form table contains somehow redundancy. So we have to reduce this redundancy by converting this second normal form table into third normal form. Okay. First of all, which type of problem second normal form table face? First problem, insert. If I want to insert one record, like there is one manager and charges per hour of manager is 95 rupees. For example, I want to add this data in this table. I cannot add this data in this table because there is one primary key, employee number. And without employee number, I cannot add this data. So this is insertion problem. Second problem is update problem. For example, DBA charges per hours will increase. Now DBA charges per hour is 90 rupees. So I have to change each and every place where there is a DBA. So I will change here DBA 90 rupees. I have to change at another places where there is DBA. So there is multi-value of DBA and this type of redundancy create inconsistency. So this is update problem. Next problem is delete problem. For example, now Raj will left the job. So I have to delete the record of the Raj. When I delete the record of the Raj, I will also delete records related to system analyst and charges per hours of system analyst is 70 rupees. So this data will also be deleted. So this type of problem arise in second normal form. So we have to convert our second normal form into third normal form. Okay. Now what is the requirement of third normal form? How we can convert second normal form table into third normal form? Third normal form. Any table is called in third normal form if and only if first it should be in second normal form and second there should be no any transitive functional dependency. So we will check. So first of all, what is transitive dependency? For example, there is one table P and there are attributes like A. A is a primary key, another attribute B, and there is another attribute C. For example, C is dependent on B and B is dependent on A. So this type of functional dependency is called transitive functional dependency. So there should be no transitive dependency in third normal form. So C is dependent on B. B is not primary key. Our primary key is A. B is dependent on A. So there is one indirect dependency. So it is called transitive dependency. So we have to check is these tables are in second normal form or third normal form. First of all, we will check our first table project. There is one primary key and one non-key attribute. Non-key attribute is dependent on primary key direct. So this table is in second normal form and this table is also in third normal form. So there is no problem in this project table. Okay. Now we will take assignment table. In this table, there is one primary key, project, number and employee number. There is one primary key, it is composite primary. Okay. Assignment hours are dependent on dependent on composite primary key. So there is direct dependency, there is no partial dependency, there is no transitive dependency. Thus, so this table is also in third normal. So these both tables are in second normal form and now they are in third normal form. Now, last table. This is employee table. Now we will check dependency of employee table. Okay. Now employee name is functionally dependent on employee number. Charges per hours are dependent on job class. For example, Anil is engineer, so he or she will get 80 rupees per hour. If Anil is DBA, he will get 90 rupees. So charges per hours change as per job class. For example, Anil's job class change. Anil's job class become instead of engineer, he become accountant. His charges per hour will be changed. Okay. So there is transitive functional dependency. Charges per hours are functionally dependent on job class. Job class is dependent on employee number. So there is transitive dependency, and this employee table is not in third normal form. Okay. So we have to convert this second normal form table into third normal form. To convert this table into third normal form, we have to decompose this table into different tables. Okay. Now we will convert this table into two different tables, like first table, employee number, employee name, and job class. And we will convert this table into other table where one attribute is job class and other is charges per hours. Okay. So now we can see here that we have converted this one table into two other tables. Okay. Now there is no transitive dependency. Here employee number is primary key and job class is also primary key. Here employee name is dependent on employee number. Job class is dependent on employee number. So every non-key attribute is functionally dependent on primary key. So this table is in third normal. Okay. Now job class is in this table primary and charges per hour is dependent on primary. So there is no transitive dependency in this table. So these two tables are in third normal. And these all the problems related to insert, update, delete will be solved in this table. Okay. So now we have learned all the three tables three normalization form. We will learn BCNF fourth and fifth normal form in our next lecture. Thank you.